Hi friends, how are you feeling today? It's a beautiful day to open up your hips, to breathe on purpose, and to do one of your favorite and my favorite yoga poses, windshield wipers. I always do windshield wipers in my class. It feels so juicy for my hips. So we're gonna do it today and I'll show you a couple variations. In saying that, meeting me on your bottom. So I'm gonna scoot back just a little bit. I'm bringing my hands behind my legs, kind of like near my buttocks. And that right leg will go out, left leg will go out, and then you shift your leg side to side. Now I do wanna make sure that they're nice and wide. You shouldn't be experiencing this. So here we are, nice and wide. We'll shift our legs side to side. Let's do a few of these on our own, making sure that we just have a little bit of inventory, breathing here. And then when they get to one side, take that opposite arm, bring that arm towards that opposite side, do a nice little chest kiss towards the ground, and then we arrive at the opposite side. So let's do 3 of these each side. That was 1. Making sure you're breathing. That's 2, 1 more. You're doing such a great job. I'm so proud of you. And that's 3. All right, friends. So now we're going to shift our knees over, let's say to the left. We're gonna sit up and we're gonna do no hands. Yeah, maybe one hand, no hand. So let's take a deep breath in and then, there we go. And then go ahead and shift to each side. Breathing here. This is almost like breathing and then exhaling your knees on the opposite side. You see, I'm kind of moving up. I might be out in your living room in a second. A couple more each side. Ooh, my hips love this. And remember, only your hips are moving. We don't want too much movement in our body outside of, clearly, I'm scooting forward. So there we go. That's our last one. Let's go back to the top and just do our normal ones. 3 on each side. Our body loves this. And 1 more each side. My hips are open. All right, so now that we're here, we're going to lift our hips up and then come back down, shifting sides. Inhale, lift hips up. Exhale down. 2 more each side. Inhale, shifting hips up. Exhale. Beautiful. Inhale up. Exhale. Another one. Inhale up. Ooh, down. Last one, best one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Yeah, we did it. So coming back into a seated posture, maybe you want to keep exploring. I'm just going to close us out here. Great job on your hip mobility. This is one of my favorite yoga postures and variations to add into my class and add into my life. I feel like more blessings come my way when my hips are open. This is a good start. Thanks for doing one of my favorite yoga poses and yours, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Remember, if you enjoy this content, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, so that you can get more, because I can't wait to see you again. All right, I'll see you in the next video.